Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve the square root of x and under square root of x and under square root of x divided by x. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I am going to solve the numerator only. So that is square root of x and under square root of x under square root of x. So here I'm going to use the property that is square root of x. We can write it as x power 1 by 2. So I'm going to replace the inner one first. So x times square root of x. I can write it as power 1, or I'll remove the square root and I can write it as x power 1 by 2. Now, I have an identity that is x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So I'm going to use it. So square root of x times square root of x. So 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. We'll take the LCM. 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. So we can write it as square root of x times square root of x 3 by 2. Now again I am using the identity that is square root of x is equals to x power 1 by 2. So we can write it as x times x power 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Again, I'm using this identity that is x power m times x power n. We can write it as x power m plus n. So we can write it as x times, so 3x power m power n is equals to x power m n. So x power 3 by 2 power 1 by 2, we can write it as x power 3 by 4. So x power 3 by 4. So I am taking it as 1 and use this identity that is x power m times x power n. So you can write it as x power 1 plus 3 by 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4, if I take the LCM 4, 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 4. The root of x power 7 by 4. So again I'm using this, and the root of x is equals to x power 1 by 2. So x power 7 by 4 power 1 by 2. I'm using this identity x power m power n is equals to x power m n. So 7 by 4 multiply 1 by 2, that is 7 by 8. So x power 7 by 8. So I'm making the space for the rest of the question. Now x power 7 by 8. Now we have the question, that is we have the denominator also, that is we have to divide it by x. So we have in question 2, that is x power m divided by x power n. We can write it as x power m minus n. So we can write it as x power 7 by 8 minus 1. So 7 by 8 minus 1. If I'll take the LCM, 7 minus 8, that is minus 1 by 8. So the x power is minus 1 by 8. So that's how we can solve this type of problem. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.